After spending time in the classroom and completing sling load operations, soldiers in air assault course hit the ropes as they learn to rappel. Melissa Bell takes us inside a Black Hawk helicopter as soldiers jump out.
After completing classroom and sling load operations, students in the air assault course made it to phase 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Rappel Week. This isn't just any rappel week. It's rappelling off of a UH-60 Black Hawk helicopter. But before you can step off one of these, you have to prove your mettle on one of these.
We start everything off on rappelling on the ground. It begins with just safety first. Start on the ground with the students. They learn again on tying a hip rappel seat, and then they'll go into the proper hookup procedures, and then the actual rappelling, checking their anchor points, how they're going to go down the rope, the proper body position, the 4-point body check before they actually descend down the rope.
Roger, so start. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next.
With safety being the #1 priority in rappel training, the cadre inspect all equipment and teach students the necessary checks to ensure everyone walks away safely from rappel training.
Step in your fingers.
We use a rappel master, and before the students go up on the tower or come out of the aircraft, they'll tie their seat, get their gloves on, their helmet on, and then they go do RMPI, which is Rappel Master Personnel Inspection. The Rappel Master starts off checking which hand the brake hand is on, because then that tells what side of their body that the knot should be on. The Rappel Master then check their gloves to make sure that they're serviceable, there's no holes. Check their sleeves to make sure their sleeves are rolled down. Helmets on, chin strap bisecting chin. Then the other sleeve, the other hand, making sure the shirt's tucked in, and then they'll go into inspecting the seat to make sure it's tied correctly.
As students make jump after jump, they learn proper technique and quell any fear they might have of heights, so that every jump they make prepares them for what comes next. The Black Hawk. Once up in the bird, it's time to master their courage, knowing that as they look down, there's only a rope between them and the 75 feet of open air to the ground.
The most important thing would actually be conducting your 4-point checks. You're going to check to ensure that your D-ring itself is tightly secured. You're going to ensure that your guide hand is locked out all the way. You're going to ensure that you have a nice, tight body position. And always remember, clear your descent. That means looking down before you actually start rappelling.
These soldiers hold on to the fact that they've been well trained for this moment, leaving them with a sense of accomplishment because they know what to do.
You just got to get up there and go for it. You can't think about it too much. You just got to get in your position, in your L-shaped position, and just, when they tell you to go, go. If you hesitate, you're going to get stuck, so don't hesitate, just go.
At the end of Rappel Week, all that stands between them and graduation is a 12-mile march. Then it's time to line up for family to congratulate and pin their air assault qualified soldier. Melissa Bell, Fort Benning TV.